Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel for another property tour with Imofactor Real Estate in central Portugal. Today I have to show you an self-sufficient small property with 2,200 square meters area. On the outskirts of a small village, 12 kilometers from the city of Castelo Branco, central Portugal. Located in a pure and peaceful rural environment, surrounded by nature. This property has the particular characteristic of having excellent accessibility to the village. Water is abundant, coming from 2 wells, almost full, even in the hottest summer months. This one has a Persian water wheel. Protected by a hillside and completely walled with an old stone wall. The soil is flat, fertile and arable, and is divided by a fence into 2 distinct areas. Straight ahead, on our right, is one of the 2 vegetable garden areas. An ideal sheltered space, adapted to growing legumes for family consumption. Where the second well is, supported by a tank and a water reservoir. Here, next to the shelters for the farming tools, we reach an area separated by a fence, which we access through a small gate. Beside a small garden, and in front of an area shaded by olive trees, there is a comfortable caravan. A whole space that, in addition to providing an excellent outdoor leisure area, can be adapted for farming and animal husbandry. An overlapping insulating structure allows protection on the rainiest days, and total shade and ventilation on the hottest summer days. Now let's get inside the caravan. A simple and pleasant space, where you can enjoy the tranquility of the place. Given the good luminosity, the space is suitable for the installation of a small solar energy unit. However, the connections to the electricity grid are next to the land, and so the respective installation is low cost and pending request. In a few words, an exceptional property for those looking for a self-sufficient start in life, in a pure and quiet environment, but at the same time, with an easy and quick access to the village, where you can enjoy the small shops and local services, cafes, restaurants, pharmacy, bakery, ATM, and gas station. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for being with us. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.